transport sector of any economy is crucial to development or otherwise. It determines how rich or poor the people turn out to be. And that is why the Subsidy Reinvestment Program SureP has been collaborating with stakeholders in the transportation industry by applying part of its funds to support a revolving loan scheme for road transport operators across the country. But the problem is that the much talked about ordinary man on the street has not felt the reduction in transport fares. The brains behind this project say their proposal is about changing the narrative of the sector.
The biggest mistake we're making is we're telling the average Nigerian what the price of a liter of petrol is. The average Nigerian is not interested in the price of a liter of petrol because the average Nigerian does not consume a liter of petrol. The average Nigerian is only interested in the cost of transportation.
Over the years, successive governments have initiated different transport schemes, but these all have lacked planning, institutional and legal frameworks, infrastructures, and rolling stocks to function. But what they are bringing to the table has all the necessary trappings and will have transport fares while providing world-class service.
Once you subsidize transport system, all right, that means the poor can pay less. They can pay 50% less. Instead of paying 100 naira, the guy is paying 50 naira. So every month, instead of spending 16,000 on transport, spending 8,000. That increases disposable income, and he has more capacity, more economic capacity to participate in the economy of the whole country.
The National Public Transport Project, if approved, will need just over 11 billion naira for the pilot phase in 4 states and the FCT to take off in October 2014. Stakeholders say they are confident in the sustainability of the project.
The most beautiful thing about this presentation is that it captures the essence of people with disabilities, because people with disabilities pay extra, as a matter of fact, for traveling by public transport.
Why I love the presentation is that we have to move from where, because it's of international standard.
You are creating a feel-good factor. Right now, we spend $8 billion a year importing petrol. It is madness. I'm saying spend $1 billion subsidizing the poor. You subsidize the rich, now subsidize the poor.
With the National Public Transport Project, Nigeria can provide affordable, sustainable, comfortable, reliable, and modern mass transit systems which are comparable to the best in any part of the world. Shegun Ojugun, STV News.